Hello, and welcome to the Veeam Talks channel for sales professionals. My name is Will. Today, we're going to talk about the risks connected with unrecoverable data backups. Organizations of any size today must be able to provide hyper-availability and seamless digital experiences to their users, customers, and partners. User confidence only happens through business continuity and hyper-availability of data, which is why the recoverability of critical business applications and technology is so important. So, today in our studio, we have Mr. Barry Sampson, IT manager of a manufacturing textile company. Hello. Barry, as you might notice, recoverability and data testing is a huge problem that many businesses don't even realize they have. From your experiences, what are the risks of having data that is backed up but not recoverable?
I could divide these risks into three types. Number one, operational risks. If a company cannot recover from a system failure and may not be able to serve its customers, causing a loss of revenue and clients' loyalty. The risk increases by not responding in time to the needs of users like business application developers and business users, which leads to a delay of a response to key customers' needs and wants. Number two, risk to fall out of compliance. If a customer's backups are corrupt, he could potentially be fined or get bad press by falling out of compliance within his industry. Number three, the risk of losing speed and agility to continuously innovate and grow. This can lead to a decrease in a customer's ability to successfully compete, as well as a negative impact on businesses in terms of creating exceptional user experience.
And all these risks impact brand integrity, right?
Exactly. All those risks illustrate that organizations must reconsider their approach to data testing and recovery capabilities, aligning and matching them more closely with overall business strategy.
Barry, tell us, what were your pain points before you met Veeam?
Before Veeam, we tested our backups only twice or even once a year. We did it manually or had to travel to pull out our tapes and test recoverability of some of our applications, which is quite costly and time-consuming.
And Veeam suggested something completely different. How did they do it?
Yes. First, they discovered our hidden recoverability and backup testing needs. My strong advice here is that while doing it, keep in mind there are several people with very different roles on the buying committee. As the IT leader, I would like to have an easy-to-use product for backup and recovery. Even before we met Veeam, I had doubts about our current processes for random backup testing. Deeply inside, I knew that it was not a good idea to manually test only some of our backups. However, there were neither a viable solution nor resources present to perform a more accurate testing process.
You even need to make decision makers consider as real the following: hardware failure, human error. In fact, 30% to 80% of data corruptions are caused by that factor, depending on research agency. Physical security, technology change, cost efficiency, ransomware.
That always works. Veeam inspired us to consider situations that we were ignoring. They convinced us that data testing and recoverability delivers real business value. They shared how Veeam features will impact our customers today, considering our current situation, our business, SLA performance, and stakeholders. As a result, we concluded that our status quo was not safe as we thought it was. We faced the fact that our current data protection process is not sustainable and is too dangerous. We realized that we would have a complete disaster if recovery failed one day, and we didn't want to continue taking that risk. Speaking of recoverability, the issue is that it's almost impossible to determine backups are working, which means in case of recovery need, backups may be corrupted and useless.
Barry, let's summarize. What are the exact takeaways that recoverability performed with Veeam brings?
They are significant improvement of RTO, RPO, which will save you money, grow your productivity as you reduce your staff time spent on backup and recovery operations, and lower your risks and improve reliability.
Thanks, Barry. It was a very interesting talk. We also highly recommend looking through Veeam customer success stories. But don't just take it from us or our happy customers. You can also take it from the industry experts and analysts. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next Veeam talk to learn how Veeam can bring you even more value.